In this video, we are going to learn about 3.3 Electrolytic Cell. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to draw an electrolytic cell and describe the operation of an electrolytic cell. The following diagram shows an electrolytic cell where we use battery as a source of current. An electrolytic cell consists of a vessel with two electrodes dipped in an electrolyte. The electrode attached to the negative terminal of an external source of energy, for example battery, is called the cathode, and the one which connects to the positive terminal is called the anode. The electrode in an electrolytic cell acts as circuit connectors and sites for the precipitation of insoluble products. We use an inert electrode in an electrolytic cell such as platinum, graphite, nickel, or palladium. As for electrolyte, it is a liquid that conducts electricity due to the presence of positive and negative ions. The electrolyte must be in molten state or in aqueous solution so that the ions can move freely. For example, KCl, HCl, or CH3COOH. Let's look at how to draw an electrolytic cell. For example, aqueous NaCl. First of all, we draw a beaker containing two electrodes. Then, we draw a wire to connect the two electrodes. In the middle, we draw a long line followed by a short line followed by another long line and a short line. This will represent battery. The long lines represent the positive terminal, which is the anode, while the short line represents negative terminal, which is the cathode. Next, we draw an electron flow from anode to the cathode. And lastly, in the solution, we draw the ions exist in aqueous NaCl, which are Cl-, Na+, and water. So, what happens in an electrolytic cell? First of all, we look at the anode. Anode will act as a positive electrode. It is the electrode which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. At anode, oxidation takes place. While at cathode, it is a negative electrode. It is the electrode which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. At cathode, reduction takes place. And as galvanic cell, the electrons in the electrolytic cell also flows from anode to cathode. That's all for this video. Thank you.